Seeking answers and demanding justice in a child's murder that has haunted Palm Beach Gardens for years. Trial is set to begin tomorrow. And Dave, you first reported on this story when it happened years ago.
Yeah, it is. It really haunted the case. And at the heart of it all is 14-year-old Ryan Rogers. He's a boy whose life was cut short in the most unimaginable way. It was back in November 2021. Ryan was riding his bike near home when police say he was randomly attacked. And then he was stabbed to death. Police say by Semmie Williams. He's a man labeled by law enforcement as a drifter, a man with no ties to the community or Ryan or his family.
As jury selection begins tomorrow in Williams' trial, our Kayla McDermott is refreshing us on this heartbreaking case that forever changed a family and a community.
On November 15th, 2021, Ryan Rogers told his mom he was going for a bike ride around 6:40 p.m. The last time she'd see him alive. Less than an hour later, investigators say Ryan crossed paths with drifter Semmie Williams Jr. along Central Boulevard. At 7:31 p.m., Ryan's motion watch stopped moving. Police believe that's when Williams brutally attacked the teen, stabbing him multiple times, then left his body in a wooden area near the overpass. Ryan was found the next morning along with bloody headphones that police say tested positive for Williams' DNA.
It appears to be an absolute chance encounter between a child on a bicycle and an animal that probably should not be out on our street.
Officers arrested Williams in Miami 15 days later and say more bloody evidence was found in his bag.
Sir, you've been arrested on a charge of first-degree murder.
Ryan's death still feels fresh for those living in Palm Beach Gardens.
It feels like yesterday.
Especially here.
It's such a sad occurrence.
On the soccer field, where Ryan thrived.
Ryan was a wonderful, vibrant, exciting, young, polite future athlete. He was just a wonderful, wonderful child.
For coach David Craven, he still wonders what could have been.
Do you ever find yourself wondering what he would have gone off to do if he would have played soccer in college?
We think about it, we talk about it all the time.
Sitting down with him on a bench dedicated to Ryan.
This is not going away.
He tells me his goal the past 4 years.
Continue keeping Ryan's name alive.
Such a tragic case.
Dave Ehrenberg, who was state attorney at the time, tells me
I hope that justice is done.
He filed the murder charges against Williams.
We did seek the death penalty.
Semmie Williams.
And although several doctors deemed Williams competent to stand trial in 2022, a judge blocked the death penalty due to mental illness 2 years later.
The mental health issues, it's the big elephant in the room here.
Either way, if found guilty, Ehrenberg says Williams will never get out of prison.
There are only two choices, death or life in prison.
But we are going to keep Ryan Rogers in our hearts.
For those who knew Ryan and all that his family has been through.
Justice needs to be served. As Ryan's mother said to me recently, she doesn't want to relive any more darkness. So justice needs to be served, and very swiftly.
Our Kayla McDermott is joining us live tonight, right by Ryan's memorial on Central Boulevard. And Kayla, following Ryan's death, the community came together demanding safety measures be added to that road.
Yeah, that's right. The people living here in Palm Beach Gardens, they called the project Lights for Ryan. They wanted to add streetlights to this portion of Central Boulevard, but as you can tell if I step forward, those lights were never added. And the sun is still going down, so there's still some light, but people tell me once the sun is fully down, it's pitch black out here. And when I started digging into this issue, I found out Central Boulevard right here is actually a county road. It's not a city road. So there's been a lot of confusion over installation and payment. So I've been pushing both sides for answers as to how we can really get these lights installed, especially as bicyclists have told us that when they're riding their bikes out here, like I said before, it's pitch black, it's hard to see, and they believe that lights will prevent accidents and cut down on crime.